Friends, my name is Shweb. Today I'm gonna teach you that how to make spot color in Adobe by using Adobe Illustrator. Let's start without wasting our time. This is the file. So here is the file. I want to make this dark purple spot color, dark purple color in spot purple. So I will select this and I will go in the select option, then same, and click on select fill color. It has selected all the colors in the file. Those are save colors. We can check by this. I have deleted now. Now I'm doing Control Z. So all the same color in the file has selected. Now I will go in the swatch panel. So new swatch, I will click on the plus button here, new swatch, and here it is the panel. So what we will do is we will click on here that this is now a process color. If we want to make spot, then we can select spot color, and now here here we can give it the name. So I want to give the name is spot purple. Okay, so this is a CMYK value, but now this color is in spot color. Click OK. Now our dark purple color is a spot color. How can we check? We can check by this. I have selected the color and I just open the color panel. Here show option. This is saying that this is spot color. And another way of checking this is we can check in a separation preview. We will check on the overlap preview. Then the one color is added here, spot color. That if we just close the eye so you can see. Here is, so this is the file. Yes, now I have opened the eye, you can see. So this was the way of making spot color. I hope this video helps you a lot. Thank you.